Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TalkBack in Infinix Note 40. So for this feature guys, first of all go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of special function. Just tap to special function and in this section guys, go to accessibility here. So as you see, we have option of TalkBack. Just tap to TalkBack and then use TalkBack or enable this feature and then click allow and that's it. So as you see, the talkback is now open. Make sure you have to double tap all the things. So like this, if you want to go back, just double tap and make sure that if you want to scroll, so all you guys have to do, just take two fingers to scroll. Press one time and then click two times to go back. So that's how we can enable talkback. But if you want to disable this feature guys, all you guys have to do, just again go to accessibility here and then click to talkback. After that guys, if you want to disable, so just tap one time here and then click two times. So this message will be appeared. Now click to stop and then click two times on the stop. So that's how we can disable talkback. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.